The indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB) under DOS has called out the brothers of Mazi NnamdiKanu to set the record clear that they are not leaders in IPOB. I'm going to play the video for you to watch, but remember you are still in news info. Watch the video before we come back and say more about this video.
Sunday, April 21st, 2024. In the complex world of political activism, impersonation is an alarming issue that is currently plaguing the indigenous people of Biafra or IPOB. This is not a mere case of mistaken identity but a calculated act to deceive and mislead. The impersonators we're dealing with, namely Kingsley Azabiro, also known as Kanunta Kanu, and Emmanuel Mim Kanu, known as Fine Boy, may share the same surname with Mazi NnamdiKanu. But that's where the connection ends. These individuals are merely the brothers of Mazi NnamdiKanu, not official members of our IPOB leadership. They have never been part of our IPOB's leadership structure in any way, shape or form. It's crucial to understand this distinction because the decisions and actions of our IPOB are guided by a specific leadership structure, and these individuals do not fit into that structure. The danger of this impersonation issue is twofold. Firstly, it confuses the members and supporters of IPOB who may mistakenly follow instructions from these impersonators, believing them to be legitimate leaders. This can lead to actions that are not aligned with our IPOB's objectives, derailing the organization's efforts and potentially causing harm. Secondly, impersonation undermines the integrity of IPOB. It casts doubt on our organization's leadership and can create divisions among its members. This in turn weakens our IPOB's ability to effectively advocate for the rights and interests of our Biafran people, which is its primary mission. So how can this issue be addressed? The first step is awareness. It's essential for everyone to understand the true leadership structure of IPOB and to know who the legitimate leaders are. This will enable members and supporters to discern between real leaders and impersonators, preventing them from being misled. Impersonation within IPOB is a threat that should not be taken lightly, as it undermines the organization's integrity and misleads its members. It's a challenge that must be confronted head-on with vigilance and determination for the good of Ipob and the Biafran people it represents. The indigenous people of Biafra is a structured organization with a clear leadership hierarchy. Understanding this hierarchy is crucial to understanding the organization itself and to dispel any misconceptions that may arise from impersonations. At the helm of this organization are two key figures, Mazi Chika Edozium and Mazi Nzurumike, who have dedicated their lives to the IPOB cause. They are the true leaders, the guiding lights of IPOB, and it is under their leadership that our organization has grown and thrived. Mazi Chika Edozium, the head of the organization, is a man of unwavering commitment and dedication. His leadership style is characterized by his ability to make tough decisions, his dedication to the cause, and his unwavering belief in the rights of the Biafran people. He is the one who sets the direction, who charts the course and who leads the organization towards its goals. His deputy, Mazi Nzurumike, plays an equally important role. He supports Mazi Chika Edozium in all aspects of leadership, providing invaluable insights and advice. With his deep understanding of the Biafran cause and his dedication to the IPOB, Mazi Nzurumike is a pillar of strength and stability within the organization. Their roles are not just administrative, they are the torchbearers of the Biafran cause, embodying the spirit and determination of the IPOB. They are not just leaders, but symbols of the struggle for self-determination, and they carry this burden with grace and dignity. Their dedication, commitment, and leadership have been instrumental in the growth and success of the IPOB. They have navigated the organization through countless challenges, always keeping the cause at the forefront of their decisions. They are the true leaders of the IPOB, guiding the organization towards its vision of a free and independent Biafra. The leadership of IPOB is a vital component in its fight for self-determination, and it is essential to recognize and respect the true leaders. They are not just figureheads, but the heart and soul of the IPOB, and their dedication and commitment to the cause is a testament to their unwavering belief in the rights of the Biafran people. Within the indigenous people of Biafra, there is only one Eastern Security Network, or ESN. This is a fundamental truth that we must all keep in mind. The ESN plays a crucial role within IPOB, serving as the organization's security arm. Its mission is to safeguard our bushes against Fulani terrorist invader, ensuring that our farmers and their farmland and harvest are protected. At the helm of this pivotal arm of IPOB is Mazi NnamdiKanu. A steadfast and committed leader, Noru has dedicated his life to the advancement of the Biafran cause. His leadership within the ESN is marked by a profound sense of duty and an unwavering commitment to the principles upon which IPOB was founded. He is not just a figurehead, but an active participant in the fight for justice and equity, leading his team with the same fervor and dedication that he expects from each of his members. However, it is crucial to be aware that there are unauthorized factions out there claiming to be the ESN. These rogue entities pose a significant threat to the unity and strength of IPOB. They can create confusion, sow seeds of discord, and dilute the impact of the organization's efforts. By falsely claiming to be part of the ESN, they misrepresent the values and objectives of IPOB, misleading supporters, and potentially damaging our organization's credibility. So how do we prevent this? By staying informed and vigilant. Recognize that there is only one ESN led by Mazi NnamdiKanu under the auspices of the Directorate of States of the Indigenous People of Biafra. Any other group claiming to be the ESN is not officially recognized by IPOB and does not represent our organization's interests. The ESN is a critical part of IPOB's structure and operations, and recognizing its legitimate leadership is key to supporting the IPOB cause. By doing so, we can help ensure that the indigenous people of Biafra continue to stand strong and united in their fight for justice and freedom. Impersonation within IPOB is more than just a leadership issue. It's a threat to our organization's legitimacy and effectiveness. We mustn't ignore the severity and broader implications of this problem. It's like a virus, silently creeping into the system, causing damage from within, destabilizing our structure, and potentially leading us astray from our goals. Consider this for a moment. If you were to follow instructions from an impersonator, not only would you be acting in a manner inconsistent with IPOB's principles and objectives, but you could also be inadvertently contributing to the erosion of the organization's credibility. It's a ripple effect. One wrong move can trigger a cascade of consequences, ultimately compromising the integrity of our entire organization. This is why it is so crucial to verify information and leadership claims within our organization. It's not just about being diligent or cautious. It's about preserving the sanctity of IPOB, about ensuring that our actions align with the organization's vision and mission. It's about safeguarding the unity, the very essence of IPOB. Impersonation also poses a threat to the trust within our organization. If members can't trust the authenticity of their leaders, how can they have faith in our organization's mission? Trust is the glue that holds an organization together. It's the catalyst that drives collective action. Without it, the organization's effectiveness can be significantly undermined. We must remember that Ipob is a collective effort. Our movement is driven by a shared vision and unified action. Any threat to its unity is a threat to its effectiveness. Impersonation is one such threat. It's a wolf in sheep's clothing, a silent enemy that can cause significant harm if left unchecked. So let's be vigilant. Let's be discerning. Let's ensure that we're following the right leaders, the ones who truly represent IPOB and our mission. Because in the end, every action we take, every decision we make reflects on IPOB as a whole. Impersonation within IPOB is a serious issue that can have far-reaching consequences for the organization and our members. In the fight for self-determination, the indigenous people of Biafra faces many challenges, including the issue of impersonation within its ranks. As we have explored, individuals like Kingsley Ezebiro and Emmanuel Memikanu, despite being brothers of Mazi NnamdiKanu, hold no leadership positions within IPOB. It is crucial to remember that the true leadership of IPOB is headed by Mazichika Edoziem and deputized by Mazi Nzurumike. Our organization also maintains the Eastern Security Network under the direction of the Directorate of States of the Indigenous People of Biafra, commanded by Mazi NnamdiKanu. Any instructions outside these norms are not from Ipob and our leadership. As supporters of this cause, we need to recognize and stand behind these legitimate leaders. As we continue to support the IPOB in our fight for self-determination, we must remain vigilant against the threat of impersonation and stand behind the true leaders of this noble cause. Please support the ESN at www.ipob.org.
Okay, my people, just let us know what you think about this video and share the video and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you.